This is RD Sharma solution, class 12, chapter 11, differentiation exercise is 11.4. So this question, we can do it by substitution, we can directly do it. We will come across a question where we will do it directly, but these questions, when we substitute, they become very easy. So what we will do here is, x we will put as sine A. Why? Because it is under root 1 minus x square. Similarly, we will put y as sine B. What is the benefit? When we put y as sine B, the sine B under root 1 minus x square, that is 1 minus sine square A. And here we will have plus x is sine A under root 1 minus y square, that is sine square B. So this is equal to 1. So let us resolve it and then we will do the actual differentiation. 1 minus sine square A is cos square A, under root cos square A is cos A. So ultimately this is going to be cos A. So sine B cos A plus this is sine B, sine A, and 1 minus sine square B is cos square B, under root cos square B is cos. So cos B it is equal to 1. So we have sine B cos A, or you can call it as cos A sine B plus cos B sine A, like that. In any ways, it is going to be sine A plus B. So A plus B, B plus A, whichever way you write, it is equal to 1. So when we differentiate it, what do? See, we cannot differentiate it right now. A and B we have by ourselves included, or you can say evolved. So we have to convert this A in terms of x. So A will be sine inverse x and B will be sine inverse y. And that is what we are going to put. Before that, we have to take this sign on other side. So A plus B is equal to sine inverse of 1. Sine inverse of 1 is what? It is 90 degree. Pi by 2 you can write. And in place of A and B, we can replace it by sine inverse x plus sine inverse y. So sine inverse x plus sine inverse y is equal to pi by 2. Now the differentiation d by dx on either side. Alright. So this is constant, so it will be 0 on the right hand side. D by dx of 1 by sine inverse x is 1 by under root 1 minus x square. D by dx of sine inverse y is under root 1 minus y square. And since it is y, we have to include dy by dx also. Taking this on the right hand side, so dy by dx under root 1 minus y square is going to be equal to negative of 1 by under root 1 minus x square. That is, we have taken it on the right hand side. This denominator goes to the numerator, so under root 1 minus y square it will be. So this is your final answer. This is what we have to prove. Directly also, if you try, you will get the same answer. xy is equal to 1. We have to prove that dy by dx plus y square is equal to 0. So xy is equal to 1. Differentiate x. I am applying the product rule. X divided by dx plus y d by dx of x is 1. I am not writing it. Is equal to 0. D by dx of constant is always 0. Now dy by dx plus y square it is. So we have to eliminate x. How can we eliminate x? See, xy is equal to 1. So we can always write x is equal to 1 by y and y is equal to 1 by x. So this x we can replace it by 1 by y because we only need y. So dy by dx it is, x is, let us take y on the right hand side. X I am replacing it by 1 by y and y square it is. So this x, as I said, 1 by y will be better, so that we get y on the numerator, and there are two new y's, so we will get a y square. So minus y square it is, dy by dx. Now let us bring this minus y square on this side, so dy by dx plus y square is equal to 1. Okay. So this is equal to the result. xy square is equal to 1. So xy square equals to 1. And for the reference, if you are able to solve by yourself, or you have to do some homework, This is the solution. But how to solve it? X y square equals 1. Let us understand. So I am applying the product rule. X dy by dx of y square plus y square d by dx of x is equal to d by dx of 1, which is going to be 0. So we have x, y square is 2y dy by dx plus y square d by dx of x is 1. And this is going to be 0. So y square I am taking it here, dy by dx, everything on the right, that is. So 2xy dy by dx will be equal to negative y square, and 1y you can cancel. Dy by dx will be negative y by twice of x. Okay. Now you see the answer is only talking about y. There is no x. So from the initial thing being given, x will be equal to 1 by y square. Let us put it here. X is 1 by y square. So minus y by twice of 1 by y square. And this goes up. So it will be minus y cube by 2. And 2, there is no need to bring 2 on the right hand side. We have brought it. So we'll take again back it to the left hand side. So twice of dy by dx is equal to negative of y cube. So 2 dy by dx is negative y cube. Now negative y cube on the left hand side. When we bring it, it is going to be positive y cube. So 2 dy by dx plus y cube is equal to 0. That is the final answer. So here it's better because we don't have some 1 minus y square or 1 minus x square stuff. It's better to solve it the way it is. In the previous questions, I encourage you to solve it using sine and cos, that is by substitution. So what we'll do here is x under root 1 plus y. This we are going to bring it or transfer it on the right hand side. So it will be negative y under root 1 plus x. Now let us square both the sides. And we have to get rid of the root basically. So let us square them. It will be x square, then 1 plus y. And then we have minus y square is y square. This is 1 plus x. And then we have this. Now let us multiply now. When we multiply, we'll get certain thing. And then we'll start the differentiation. Right now we are not differentiating it. The differentiation will be done when we have simplified it. Alright. So this is going to be x square and 1 x square y, then y square plus y square y. And this x square minus y square we can have a formula. So let us bring this y square on the left hand side and x square y on the right hand side. X square minus y square, we get y square x minus x square y. And this, so we can take xy common from the right hand side. I'm just taking the right hand side. So it is going to be y minus xy. X square minus y square will be x minus y, x plus y. A minus b, a plus b. So xy, y minus x. We can cancel x minus y and y minus x, but there will be a negative because let us make it as negative. It will be x minus y. So let us cancel these two out, but there will be a negative. And y, take y on one side and others on right hand side. But still there is y on either side. So we need to manage this thing such that we get only y on one side, other things on the other side. Alright. So we have this minus, I hope you got the idea, minus xy equals x plus y, and we have to find y. So let us take y on one side. So this y goes here, x will be y plus xy, and because it was already a negative one, remember. So we have x equals, this negative is already there, okay. So we have y equals negative x by 1 plus x. Now this is what we wanted. Y on one side, x on other side. Now we will differentiate. And this negative x, negative sign, I am going to deal it later. I will only differentiate x by 1 plus x. And that is going through the quotient rule. Alright. So negative x by 1 plus x. So let us differentiate d by dx, d by dx. So dy by dx will be equal to negative, I am going to take later, x by 1 plus x. So quotient rule we are going to follow. This is 1 plus x whole square. Then when 1 plus x, dy by dx of x, that is going to be 1, I am not writing it now, minus. Then we have x, dy by dx of 1 plus x. So it will be 1 plus x is 0, this is 1. So it will be 1 only. So what do we get? 1 plus x minus x. So x can be cancelled. Now 1 was there, as I said, negative I have not used. Now I'll use minus 1 by 1 plus x whole square. This is d by dx. Now cross multiplication, 1 plus x square into dy by dx, and plus 1 when it comes to the left hand side, plus 1 equals 0. This is what we need to prove. Alright. Next is we have a log on one side, tan inverse on other side, and for those who just want to do it by themselves, there is a reference being given, and those who want to understand, let us see how it will be done. So it's a very straightforward question. If you know the differentiation of log and tan inverse, it's very straightforward. Okay, but one thing is log x square plus y square, under root can be written as half, under root is to the power half. So whenever we have log a to the power b like this, b comes in front. So it will be half log x square plus y square. Alright. So that is the only thing we need to do. So half d by dx of log x square plus y square. Then we have tan inverse y by x. So d by dx of tan inverse y by x. Tan inverse of theta. Well, let us do the left side first. Log of content is 1 by that of content, 1 by 2. So it will be x square plus y square in the denominator. X square plus y square differentiation is what? X square is 2x, y square is 2y, and then dy by dx also. Because we are not dealing with x, we are dealing with y. So 2x plus 2y dy by dx is equal to, first thing is there are 2's. So you can take 2 common here and cancel it out. You know, it can always be cancelled. And this is equal to, and right hand side, certain things are going to come which can be cancelled from the left hand side. So let us solve this one. First, d by dx of tan inverse y by x, it is going to be 1 by 1 plus y square by x square. Then y by x differentiation also. Y by x differentiation, I am doing it here. It will be using the quotient rule. So x square in the denominator, x here, then dy by dx minus, then we have y, dy by dx of x is 1. Okay. So this is your final one. So let us do this one also. This is going to be, I am doing it here, 1 by, so x square plus y square by x square. Now this x square I am not writing because it will go in the numerator. So finally this is going to be x square by x square plus y square, and this one also x into dy by dx minus y by x square. Now what do you see here? What was the left hand side? If you remember, it was 1 by x square plus y square and x plus y dy by dx. Now this x square plus y square gets cancelled, this x square gets cancelled from here. Finally, what we have achieved is x plus y dy by dx is equal to x dy by dx minus y. Now, there is only one thing, which is rearrangement in order to get this solution. So, y here means dy by dx on one side, others on other side. So, we have x plus y, dy by dx I am taking common, I am bringing it here, this is going to be dy by dx x minus y. So dy by dx will be equal to x plus y by x minus y. And that is what the result says. We need to prove it, and we have proved it. So sec x plus y by x minus y is equal to a. So we have to prove this. And we know the sec inverse, what is the differential. And the best way is to bring this sec on right hand side. what is the benefit of this? So x plus y divided by x minus y. Sec I am bringing it here, so it will be sec inverse A. So when we differentiate it, the right hand side is going to be 0 because it is A. It will be a constant. So we just have to concentrate on the left hand side differentiation. D by dx of both the sides. So simple is, see, x minus y whole square. Now x minus y d by dx of x plus y minus x plus y and d by dx of x minus y. Right hand side absolute 0. X plus y differentiation is what? 1 plus dy by dx. X minus y differentiation is what? 1 minus dy by dx. Okay. So we have this x minus y. Both sides, let us multiply it by x minus y whole square. Both sides left LHS, RHS. Or you can take the cross multiplication. X minus y whole square will be a goner. You can eliminate it. Only the numerator will remain. So x minus y, dy by dx of x plus y will be what? 1 plus dy by dx. And this right hand side, if you can bring, or you can just have a negative. It's up to you. I'm going to bring it on the right hand side and then solve it. X plus y and differentiation of x minus y we have already done. It was 1 minus dy by dx. Okay. So what do we get? So x, let us multiply it. X minus y plus x minus y into dy by dx is equal to x plus y minus x plus y into dy by dx. Now bring dy by dx on one side, the other content on another side. Okay, let us do it. This one. So we have dy by dx, x plus y, and this we are bringing here. So when it goes on the left hand side, it is going to be positive. Plus x plus y. X plus y was already there on the right hand side, and x minus y with a negative we are bringing it on it here. So minus x plus y it will be. X cancel, so you get a 2y on the right hand side. This we get 2x on the right hand side, left hand side. 2 gets cancelled. Y will go in the denominator. So dy by dx is going to be y by x. That is your final answer. Okay. So the whole idea is to explain. Step by step doing will take, it will be a waste of time for you because there are so many questions you have to do and you have limited time. I have all the time in the world. This question we are going to take in the next discussion. Till then, thank you so much and take care of yourself.